Rice is a tasty carbohydrate source that, when combined with protein, fat, and fiber, makes for a nutritionally complete meal. Rice cookers can make meals a whole lot easier, allowing you to set it and forget it while you cook the other components of your meal. They typically require you to add water and rice, and then they do the rest of the work for you. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best electric rice cooker in 2023. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 1. Tiger JBV A10U Rice Cooker. We got consistently great rice with this rice cooker. It was light and fluffy no matter the type of rice. It has 4 easy-to-set options: brown rice, plain rice, synchro cooking, and slow cook steam. The synchro cooking setting allows you to steam other meal components like meat or veggies as your rice cooks for a truly easy, nutritionally well-rounded meal. This rice cooker is also easy to move around, and we especially like the handle on the top of the rice cooker. It made it incredibly easy to move in and out of storage. Despite being hand wash only, this rice cooker is easy to clean thanks to its non-stick coating. Number 2. Aroma Housewares 6-cup rice and grain cooker. This rice cooker sits at a price you can't beat and is perfect for those who want to add ease to their cooking routine without investing in a higher-end option. It comes with a steam tray to cook protein or veggies simultaneously. And this cooker can also be used to make soups, chilies, and more. We felt like this rice cooker is compact enough to easily store while producing a decent amount of rice. Unlike other options, it is dishwasher safe, which is especially useful since this cooker has a separate glass lid that must be washed. It can keep rice warm for up to 12 hours and automatically switches to warming mode when the rice is done cooking. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Rice Cooker and Food Steamer. We were impressed by this rice cooker's user-friendly buttons and ability to cook not just rice, but hot cereal too. It consistently produced fluffy rice with an optimal moisture level and did the same for steel-cut oats. It has an attached lid that opens easily at the push of a button. We also noted the compact size of this cooker and thought it would be perfect for a smaller kitchen or a dorm room. In testing, some dryness developed in the top and bottom sections of the rice and oats after a few hours on the warming function. However, stirring the grains improved the grains' moisture level. When the rice is ready, there is a single beep that can be hard to hear, so you may need to set a timer and check back on the rice instead of relying on the beep. Number 4. Zozurushi NS-TSC 18 Micom Rice Cooker and Warmer. Not only does this rice cooker do an excellent job of cooking rice, but it can also be used to cook a lot more. It has the following settings: white sushi, quick, mixed, porridge, sweet, brown, cake, and steam. When your food is ready, it automatically switches to warming mode, but it also has an extended keep warm and a reheat function. We loved the retractable cord and carrying handle, which helped make this appliance easy to move around and store. We were also impressed by the easy-to-hear alarm that alerts you when your food is ready. You can even pick between different alarm melodies. This is a rather large rice cooker with a 10-cup yield, so it's great if you are batch cooking rice for the next few days or cooking for a big group. Number 5. Black Plus Decker 6-cup rice cooker with steaming basket. This rice cooker is perfect if you want a simple option. It has an on-off switch and generally cooks rice in under 30 minutes. Because it has limited functions, there is not much to mess up. It automatically switches to its keep warm function after the rice is done cooking. It does come with a steamer basket, so you can also use it to steam veggies or proteins. And we loved the speed at which it cooked white rice and steamed broccoli. We think this rice cooker makes well-rounded, home-cooked meals accessible for even those with limited comfort with kitchen appliances. The removable cooking bowl is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. And if you don't have a dishwasher, it has a non-stick coating that makes it easy to hand wash. That was our list of the top 5 best electric rice cooker in 2023 just for you.